Alors tout le monde, non, moi c'est Evans Domon. Pour le monde qui peut connaître, moi c'est fondateur, the founder of Domon Touch of Restoration, a.k.a. my DTR. Je créé la fondation ça dans le but pour nous aider mon acheter caille, louer caille, mon qui est en foreclosure, avec mon qui a un shortage dans escrow yo. Nous allons nous expliquer ça en détail, une par une, dans l'autre vidéo. Nous avons parlé de game, nous parlons faire dans show. Game qui est plus populaire, catégorie qui est plus populaire dans le game, c'est real estate, pour nous toujours monter mon acheter pendant la période fun. Tout ça sur table là, c'est produit fondation. Nous espérons pour nous barrer un pile là-dedans. Le n'a pas fait event pour fondation. Alors, si vous pouvez abonner, considérez faire ça. Et pour tout le monde qui a déjà fait ça, moi je dis un gros tonton merci. On le tient aperçu sur game nous te fait déjà. Restez branchés, gain pile belle bagarre qu'a fait, qui vient pour venir. À bientôt.
I love the energy from the first game. I thought y'all was Haitian.
I'm still winning. I'm Haitian. I've been reading it and everything like that. So it ain't. They got 2 and we got 1. It ain't much of a lead. It's a lead. You keep saying it ain't. Cause we can still come up. It is.
Go.
I got it. What? 10 seconds.
You about to lose
The
it.
N word?
The N-word.
Oh, isn't he said? No.
Go ahead, go. You about to lose your turn.
10. Misère. Avant ou coupé. Oh, miss. Oh my gosh. I don't know how to say this. Listen, don't worry about the M. Avant. Chichi, come on. Avant ou coupé. The N word. Miséré. Avant ou coupé, Chichi.
Okay, Chichi, get your ass.
Chichi N. Come on.
Well, that was the whole sentence?
Yes.
Man, come on, bro. What's the timer? Where's the timer? Where's the timer, son?
Y'all be saying it to you about 10 times before you answer.
But I'm saying, where's the timer?
Go ahead, Chichi.
Okay. Busy with.
Yes, that's the word.
Bro, I'm ready.
Coupé.
Oh wow. Oh wow.
Can I help my partner?
Nah, bro, where the timer at?
I'm counting.
I don't understand.
Try it before you
Nah,
get it.
nah.
Chichi, let's translate.
I'm ready. I'm ready.
Okay, so Gabby.
I can go.
Wait, Gabby, say it first.
Mesurer avant ou coupé?
Measure twice before you cut.
I can't say it.
Measure before you
And
cut.
they're done.
Okay.
Alright, measure before you cut. But I know the real thing is measure twice before you cut. It mean like whatever you do, think about it and be sure before you actually do it. Stop playing with me, bro.
Before you act. Chichi, I didn't understand that one.
It's the
It's the Haitian in us.
The American way is measure twice before you cut.